Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Are you ready to read along with me? Let's go. Cat nap. Cat can nap. Nap, cat, nap. Rat, tap, tap, tap. Cat ran on lap. Rat in cap. Cat nap, rat nap on Jan. Jan sat on mat. Bat, tap, tap, tap. Cat nap, rat nap, bat nap on Jan. The end. When you are ready, move on to book 4. Thank you so much for reading along with me. I hope you enjoyed our new original creation. Let us know in the comments below. Keep coming back, keep reading and practicing, and we'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye.